Your phone holds years of photos, contacts, and messages. If something happens to it, all of that could disappear. Here's how to make sure it never does. First, turn on Automatic Cloud Backup. On your phone, go to Settings, find Backup or the Cloud Service section, and make sure it's set to backup automatically. This runs in the background while you sleep, keeping everything current without you thinking about it. Photos take up the most space and are often the hardest to replace. Make sure your photo library is syncing to your cloud account. Check that originals are uploading, not just thumbnails, so you can restore at full quality. Contacts and calendars should also sync to your cloud account. If you ever switch phones or lose this one, all your appointments and phone numbers come back the moment you sign in on the new device. Check your backup settings to include app data and message history. Many apps store conversations and progress that you'd hate to lose. Some messaging apps have their own backup options, so double-check those too. For extra safety, back up to your computer as well. Connect your phone and run a local backup. This gives you a second copy that doesn't depend on the cloud, in case you ever need it. Finally, check that backups are actually happening. Go back into Settings once a month and look at the last backup date. If it's been stuck, you'll catch it before it matters. Set this up once and forget about it. Your memories are safe. Follow Nabka Tech for more simple tech tips.